Hello, this is Peter Schreier. I'm the Chief Scientist at ProStar. I'm going to show you how to bring in PointMan exported shapefiles into an AutoCAD environment. First things first, I am using Autodesk AutoCAD Map 3D 2023 version. The same process will apply with Autodesk full version and within Civil 3D as well. First things first, I just created a blank template here. Now on your right-hand side, there's the display manager and the task pane, and I'm going to click on Manage Data Content, Add Data. Connect to a data set. I'm going to be adding a shapefile, Add SHP connection. Click on that, name it something logical, and call it lines, for example, and pick which one I want. I'm going to grab the shapefile that I've exported previously from PointMan. Go OK. Make sure it's correct. That's happy with that. And go connect. Now it's showing up a coordinate system here. If it doesn't show a coordinate system here, it could mean that it didn't export it from PointMan, in which case it will probably be a WGS84 projection system. Fine. Go here, edit coordinate systems, and edit so it is that. You'll notice down below here it says the map coordinate system is unknown. That is the coordinate system of your AutoCAD environment. At this point in time, leave that alone, because what it will do is pick up and mimic the coordinate system of your incoming shapefile, which is this here, and that's correct. So then you go find, add to map. It's happy. Now, I'm going to bring in the points as well now. So go here, another one, we'll call this pedigree. That's actually what it is. Bring in the shapefile. Here it is, open, do it here, connect. And notice you see here the map coordinate system has taken on the previous projection. That's good. All good. Time, add to map, and we're done with this. You can add as many different fields or whatever else you need from here. I just have those two shapefiles, for example. So get rid of that. Now let's move over to that so I can see it a little better. And over to it, zoom in, for example here. So these points are your pedigree, and the lines are just below them here. You notice it's all the same color because I haven't applied a style to it yet. Shapefiles, unfortunately, do not carry style information within them. That is an Esri limitation. Within PointMan, we do have our data dictionaries, which styles based on your components or your systems. What you can do is mimic that within Autodesk. There is something called style in your task pane. So click on the layer you're looking at and click on style. Now, this is a bit of a cumbersome process initially, but it's usually only done once. And then once you've done this to, I guess, match your data dictionary, you can apply it to any other shapefiles that you're importing from PointMan. So I'm just going to create a couple of quick ones here so you can see what I'm doing. So on this, create a rule, click on that. Very simple filter. And I'm going to enter a property here. Say I'm going to base my style on, for example, fixed type. So my fixed type equivalent to a value. I don't know the properties offhand. I can go here and say, what are they? The RTK float and RTK. And I say, okay, if it's equal to RTK float, then I go, okay. I'm going to change it so it's a, for example, a red. Like that. Close. Now I know the other one is just RTK, so what I'm going to do is just duplicate this. Instead of saying float, I'm going to remove that. If it's an RTK, just validate to make sure, good. If it's RTK, I'm going to be happy with it, so it's going to be a green. Well, good, maybe change it to say a triangle just for fun, just to show, and apply. Close that off. You can make all sorts of rules and themes here. Once you're done, just save it off and you should be good. So cut out of that. And for the lines, let's do something similar. Style on that. Same thing here. Simple filter. Again, you can make all sorts of different ones here. Enter a property. I'm going to base this on materials. Don't honestly know the materials, so let's just grab a list. And there's MW, PE, steel, and unknown. So I'm just going to grab the first one. Click on that. Okay. And I know there's 4 of them, so I'm going to add 4 duplicates just for fun, and just change them as I go along. MWPE, steel, unknown. Use spell properly. Validate that just to sure. Okay, so it's MW. I'm going to leave it yellow. PE, I'm going to say change the color to the blue one. Apply that. Steel. Well, let's just change that to it's black. And unknown. Let's. Whoops. Wrong button. Make that a reddish color. So now you notice the symbology has changed, the lines and points are like that. All good. Now you're wondering, okay, where are the attributes? Well, you want to see the attributes, no problem. On your display manager, let's show the table. And there's all your attributes for both layers that you have there. In this case here, the line one, these are all the attributes from the line that we brought in from the shapefile, exactly as it is in the shapefile. Okay, and here we have all the attributes for the pedigree, exactly as it's been brought in from the shapefile. Want to see it? Which one is this? There, it zooms into it if you select it. And what is this one here? And it tells you what it is. Okay. Now, all you have to do is save this off. AutoCAD, PointMan example 3. Save. And now we are done. And that's all there is to it. Thank you very much.